Okay, this is the software. Now if we need some numbers, we come to here, text, and then we add it here. Maybe such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then finish it, add it, and then apply it. You can see here, number is here, then to be center. Then we need to hatch it. Hatch it here. Engraver first. The angles and the line distance would be 0.03 to 0.05 like this. And then the laser type, we can choose this one. The angles no need to change. If you need hatch 2, then if you need hatch 2, then we can change the angle. Maybe such as 45 degrees, and the hatch 2 can be minus 45. And then okay, you can see here it is already hatched. We finish it hatched, then we come to the parameter setting, release it. Because when we hatch it, we can see the color. The color is black. Black stands for the parameter setting. And then we come to here, speed, power, frequency. Frequency maybe normally is 20 or 30. And for the power could be 50 or 60. The speed can be 1,500 or 2,000. Then you can do it. But if you want to deep engraver, then the speed can be lower, maybe 500, 300, and the power should be 90%. Yes, then it's okay. Then we come to select it. We come to light, preview. Then we can preview it. So you can see the location is here. When it is ready, then you cancel it. And then come to mark. Yes, like this way.